Tingnan mo nga naman yung babae niya, no? Kung makalingkis dyan kay Boss Yami, daig pa niya yung sawa.
Miss lang nila yung isa't isa.
Halatang halata naman eh. Alam mo, Andrea, di ko alam kung paano mo kinakaya, pero kung jowa ko yung isnasiyaw ng ganyan, nahambalos ko na yun ng upuan.
War freak ka lang kasi.
Ay, hindi kaya. Nakakapanginit lang kasi talaga siya ng ulo, no?
Hayaan nyo na, wala naman silang ginagawang masama. Tsaka, first love siya ni Jaime, no?
Ano?
What?
Eh, all the more pala na kailangan mo maging concerned. Ano ka ba?
Wala lang naman yun. Puppy love lang yun, inosente, walang mali siya.
So ano? Hahayaan mong landiin yung babae niyan yung fiancé mo sa sarili mong engagement party?
Oo nga, hindi naman fair yun.
I missed you ba, Chochoy?
Na-miss din kita, Miss Tisay-Say. Miss Tisay. Hindi na nagbago.
Hindi talaga, no? Seko, Jaime. Am I still your number one?
Yes, you're still my number one.
Ayoko ng number one. Kasi pag may number one, may number two, may number three.
Ano nga gusto mo?
Your only love.
Alam mo, hindi ko na makakalimutan ng linyang yan. Alam mo, Lucille, as much as you're still my friend, okay, and I want you to be my good friend, hindi ka na pwedeng maging only one ko.
Oh, well, I know. But you know what? I still can't believe that it's been so many years since the last time we saw each other. What? Was that about 5 years ago?
Yeah.
I remember we first went to Piccadilly, and then we went to Buckingham Palace to visit the Queen, and then we went to Windsor Castle.
Right.
You were with Veronica.
Yeah. Ate ko naman kasama mo si Chandler Sr., right? I'm sorry at alam kong wala na siya sa atin yun. Narinig ko kay Mama.
It's alright. Tatanggap ko na yun. But, I can't say I feel sorry for Veronica. Alam mo, kahit na dati pa, alam ko na hindi kayo magtatagal. Kitang-kita naman kasi kung anong klase siyang babae. Hindi ko lang masabi sa'yo, pero I never really liked her.
Okay, well, that's the thing of the past. So,
Itong new one mo, si Andrea,
mhm.
siya na bang bagong may only love mo?
Yes. Siya ang aking my only love. She's my number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, etc. You know, she's the best talaga. You know, she's very sweet, she's very funny. Yung mahalahanin siya. At grabe ang tiniis niya sa amin ng mga bata. Kaya naman mahal na mahal ko siya.
I'm really very happy for you, Jaime. Pero sigurado ka na ba talaga na si Andrea yung babae para sa'yo? Kasi, I mean, she's a bit too young for you. I mean, how long have you known her?
Well, long enough to know that I love her.
Nasasabi mo lang siguro yan kasi in love ka sa kanya. Eh, ganun ka rin naman dati kay Veronica. But what? The marriage ended.
Pero alam mo, iba. Kakaiba si Andrea.
Alam mo, concerned lang naman ako sa'yo, Jaime. I mean, she seems a little dodgy, you know. If you're going to marry again, kailangan sa isang taong kilala mo at kilalang kilala ka. Para sigurado naman na compatible kayong dalawa. I mean, I don't wanna see this marriage end in paghiwalay kayo ulit, di ba? Ayoko kasing masaktan ka. You know, I really, really care about you.
Salamat sa concern, Lucille, pero hindi mangyayari yun sa amin ni Jaime. Mahal namin ang isa't isa, kaya hindi kami maghihiwalay.
Uy, Lucille, have you tried the dessert buffet? I'm sure na-miss mo yung mga Filipino desserts. Tara, doon na tayo.
Alam mo ba, meron doon yung mga puto-bungbong, pichi-pichi, tibok-tibok. Okay,
That's tibok-tibok. It sounds like a disease.